Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily if you're new here, and today we are going to do a little Sunday reset, except it's Monday, but it's Memorial Day, so it's a long weekend. So it's a Sunday reset, but on Monday. But yeah, so I feel like I've been really in a funk lately and haven't been able to stick to my routine very well or anything like that. Chaz and I traveled a lot over the last few months, and life's just been crazy. He got his wisdom teeth out. A lot of stuff has happened, so we just haven't been able to really stick to our tried and true routine lately. And whenever I get in a funk like that, the best way for me to get out of it is to clean because I'm a clean freak. So we're gonna do a nice little Sunday reset clean. Once Chaz gets back, he's washing cars with Lawson right now, but once they get back, we're going to do a grocery haul because we have literally no food in our house right now. I don't know what I'm gonna have for lunch because there is nothing to eat. So we're gonna get groceries, and then we're gonna go work out and really get back into our swing of things. So meal prepping, working out, and then our house will be clean. So all good things. I made a little to-do list because I am a pen and paper to-do list kind of gal. So I want to vacuum everything. I have a lot of laundry to do, so I need to swap out our sheets. I need to wash all of my clothes. I need to wash the towels, all that fun stuff. I need to do all of Autumn's stuff, so I need to clean her litter box. I need to wash her food bowls and water bowls and clean the mats that I sit them on. I want to just tidy up our bathroom. I did a pretty good bathroom clean last weekend. Literally scrubbed our shower with a brush, you know? So I just need to wipe things down and tidy up. And then same with our kitchen. I just want to tidy up, do the dishes, all that fun stuff. Tidy up our living room. I have boxes I need to throw away and vacuum everything. And the other big thing I keep forgetting to do but need to do is clean our Brita. So I need to swap out the filter and wash the Brita itself. But yeah, so that is the to-do list. And then once Chaz is back, we'll go to the store, the gym, all that fun stuff. But yeah, this is me getting my shit together so that I feel better about my life. All right, cleaning montage starts now. Bye. Okay, cleaning montage is over. I took the trash out, started the dishwasher. I'm washing the Brita in the dishwasher and both my water bottles. So I have to drink water without a water bottle, which is very difficult for me, but we're gonna try it. But overall, I think everything's looking a lot better. I at least feel a lot better. I need to make a grocery list for the store. That is important. I can't grocery shop without a list, and in order to make a list, I need a list of meals for the week. So maybe we'll sit down and think about what we want to eat for the week for a minute. Make that list. Anyways, just wanted to check in and recap cleaning. Still doing laundry, because that obviously takes longer than anything else. But yeah, I think we're gonna chill and read a book for the next little bit. I did not end up reading a book. I ended up editing all of that footage, so I felt like that was a more productive use of my time. I'm trying to get better at like uploading sooner, because like at the moment I like film and it takes me like a month to edit before the video is uploaded, so I'm trying to get faster, and that's difficult with life. So anyways, I just edited for like the last 2 hours or whatever. Chaz is on his way home, so I am working on a grocery list real quick, and then we'll go to the store once he gets back. So I'm trying to decide what to eat this week, which is literally my least favorite decision of the week. I think I just overthink like trying to eat healthy and like macro friendly and also inexpensive for that matter. So I end up just like overthinking grocery shopping like so much. Anyways, hopefully you can't hear the dryer drying. I'm sure you can, so that's probably annoying. What we have found is that it's so much easier if you just eat the same thing every week, so you don't have to think about what you actually have to go buy at the store. It's just the same, and you just copy paste, copy paste. I find that I can do that very easily with like breakfasts. I have 2 or 3 breakfasts that I like rotate through. But then for like lunches and dinners, I actually get really sick of eating the same thing over and over, but I don't for breakfast. So I don't know why I don't care for breakfast. So I think for breakfast this week, I'm just gonna stick with my tried and true that I've been doing lately, which is just like an English muffin breakfast sandwich. So for that, I just need eggs. I do like some ham lunch meat, an English muffin, and then avocado. And I just whip that up in the morning, and then I always need milk for my lattes. I'm good on coffee beans this week, good on creamer, so I'll get there. So that's breakfast. And then I have to think of something for lunch, and then think of dinners. And usually we do like 3 dinners or so, and then we'll do each one twice. So it'll be like butter chicken, and you use the can of butter chicken sauce 2 nights in a row, and then it's gone. So I just have to think of things. So anyways, I'm going to sit here for a minute and come up with a meal plan for the week and then write down the list. So time lapse now. Okay, so we just got back from the grocery store, so I thought I would do a little grocery haul and tell you what we're eating for the week. So without further ado, here's our groceries. So we have some broccoli, a bunch of onions, shallots, avocados, parsley, bell peppers, bananas, low-fat cream cheese, carb balance mission tortillas, bananas if I didn't already say that, some lunch meat, ham, bunch of pantry stuff, Fairlife Always, and then a bunch of meats and English muffins, and then some tortilla chips. So we're gonna do fajitas. I'm gonna do breakfast sandwiches per usual. We're gonna do some like beef steak tip things for lunch. It's just like a meal prep Chaz found on Instagram. We're gonna do butter chicken one day. We're gonna do, this is shrimp. We're gonna do shrimp rigatoni, and yeah, should be good. And all this was like $130 or so, so it wasn't too bad for honestly the amount of meat and stuff we got. So yeah. Hello again. We're at the gym. So this is, we call it the Kinley gym, quote unquote. It's Chaz's work basically. They bought a bunch of equipment and put it in a warehouse, so it feels like a private gym, like a garage gym. You just have to drive like 10 minutes and you're there. It's great, honestly. This is our second time here and I'm kind of loving it. It's like limited equipment, but it has all the necessities. So we're gonna work out. I lately have been doing Morgan Maroney Cook, Steve Cook's wife. She released an app at the beginning of the year. It's called Culture of Motion. So I've been doing her motion program. I did legs yesterday, and now I'm gonna do the next like workout in the program is a full body workout. So we're gonna warm up, and then she does supersets. So, and calls them groups. So group A is Aussie pull-ups, inverted with bench dips, and then you rest for 60 seconds. We're supposed to do 4 sets. Lately I've been doing 3 sets because, again, have not been consistent, so we're just getting back into the swing of things. So that's group A. Group B is dumbbell cyclist squats, so just like heel elevated squats. And then we have heel elevated knee drops, and then you rest for 60 seconds. 4 sets. We're gonna do 3 sets. Group C is plate overhead sit-up with seated single leg races. And then group D, she calls it a finisher. I think you're supposed to do 3 sets with no breaks if you can. I usually break because I have no cardio abilities, but this has been helping out my cardio game. So it's 20 pop squats, 20 mountain climbers, 10 V snaps. And you're supposed to do 3 sets of those without a rest. I'm going to rest because I'm a wimp. But yeah, so then we'll have a cool down, and that's that. So let's get into it. First, how about a cute little gym tour, because we're gonna procrastinate working out. Okay, gym tour. Okay, belt squat, the little leg extension thing. What is that called? Quad extension? I'm really struggling. Glute raise back extension thing. We've got a fat pad bench. We've got a tire. We have cables. Then we've got dumbbells. And then we have a couple different racks. There's Chaz on a treadmill. They have a Jacob's ladder back there too, and some assault bikes. Okay, now cue the workout montage. got back from the gym. We are showering because we're disgusting. I'm really liking working out at that gym. It feels like our own private little gym, which is great. You don't have to deal with any other people, which is my least favorite part of going to the gym, so it works out well. I do feel like I need to get like a mat, because if you saw, I was just like literally on the floor, and now I'm disgusting, and also it kind of like hurt my back to do like sit-ups and stuff without a mat. So I think if we keep going there, I need to get a mat. I've been really loving the Culture of Motion app lately, and all of the workouts. So it's a bit different than what I had been doing before. Before I was very like strength focused, and this program feels much more like functional based rather than just strength based. So it's been fun to change it up and try something new, and I feel like it pushes myself in different ways. Like I would never do cardio before, and now I'm actually doing some cardio, and that's probably a good thing. So all good things. Yeah, we are just gonna get cleaned up. We're gonna meal prep tonight. I think maybe it's already 8 o'clock, so we might not have time to meal prep, but we're gonna make dinner at least. Potentially meal prep, and then hopefully like go to bed early to start off the day strong tomorrow. So I'm gonna end this vlog off here, but thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like this sort of vlog. I love watching these vlogs, but for some reason I'm like super nervous to make them. Even though I love watching other people's, I'm like, for some reason think my life is boring, but they might think that about theirs. So I don't know, just let me know if you liked it or not. But yeah, okay, well, I feel like my life is a lot more put together. Laundry's done, house is clean, we worked out, we had groceries. We may or may not meal prep, but at least we have food. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on whether or not you like this kind of vlog, and I will see you next time. Bye.